Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. And today we're doing tarot cards. So my name is Joany, and this is something I'll do maybe once a month or once every 2 months. But today I feel like it's time to do another one. So let's get ready. So let's see what the guides or the universe want us to do today in this video. Let's see what card's gonna kind of pop. Anytime now. Whoa, no. There's that one right here. Yep. This is the one that's speaking to me. And it's a zodiac sign. Wow. It's a air sign, actually. So, oh, the universe really wants to speak to us today. I am a child of the stars, open to the gifts of the cosmos. All right, I think I have something in mind for this. We're going to be dancing with our arms, our breath, and maybe open up our third eye. No, that's too soon. Okay, so get into something comfortable and let's dance to zodiac sign. Deep breath in, expand your chest, breathe out from the belly, hold your expansion. Do that again. Breathe in, breathe out from the belly. All I want you to do is just hold expansion. We're going to slowly just rock ourselves forward and back. Just the pelvic forward and back. So I do have something in mind. So zodiac sign, I'm going to focus on the element of air because the stars are in the universe. It's in the air. So we're first going to be grounded. We're just going to work from the ground up to the air. We're just rocking ourselves forward and back. We're going to bring our right foot forward. Keep rocking yourself forward and back. Forward and back. Bring your right foot back this time. Now your left foot is forward. Good. So we're working from the ground up. So we have the earth element, which is being rooted from the feet. But now we're rocking ourselves forward and back, and that's more of a watery element, very fluid. All right, so now I'm going to go and bring our feet shoulder width apart and just sway. Sway. Bring your right foot forward, undulate forward and back. And now sway side to side, side, side. Left foot forward. So now we're getting ready to add the air element. So the air is going to be our arms, our breath. Deep breath in, up. Breathe out. Okay, let's go to the right side, wave in and out. Wrists, palms, and then down. Wrists, palms, bring it down. And now to the center, and bring it all the way in, wave in. Reach up, down, all the way up, and wave. You can sway as you wave. That again. So you're rocking yourself forward and back as you add the arms all the way up, reach to the stars, and then up and bring it down to the center. One more to the left. All the way up, reach, down. Reach, bring it to the center. One arm at a time, you're going to go up right, Now bring it to your left side and down. Up. And left. Reach up to the stars and bring it into you. Reach and bring all that positive energy. And both. Bring it in. Again. Up. Bring it in. Reach and bring it in. Add the breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right side. Left. Both. Up. Right. Left. Both. Again. Add the breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again. Breathe in. Bring it in. Breathe in. Bring that arm in and breathe out. Up. You can wave. Switch. In. Excellent. It was wonderful. I felt that positive energy of the universe coming in. So I don't know if you've had that feeling, but it was just amazing. All right, I'll see you next time. Enjoy this.